In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox enabling store is unavailable at this time. Please check back later. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm doing is heading over to a web browser for this. So I'm going to go to roblox.com and sign into my account. Now, before I continue, I've noticed I've got no followers on this account. So if you want to follow me, you can. It is Mr. Wiz0. All right, now back into the tutorial. So what we need to do is click onto the gear icon and then jump into settings. Now, inside of settings, we need to go and click onto parental controls and check for any account restrictions. So this is very common. So the store may be blocked on your account because of this. As you can see, I haven't fully set this account up. So basically make sure your monthly spend is not set to 0, account restrictions are off, and if there's a parental bin, you need to make sure that isn't blocking purchases. Also, if your account is under 13, store access may be limited.